Virtually every promise they made about Obamacare when it was passed into law has been broken. We all remember what they were. Remember, they told us the cost of health insurance would go down. Not true. They told us if you liked your doctors, you could keep them. Not true. They told us if you liked your health plan, you could keep it. Not true. Just last year, premiums following Obamacare spiked by 25% on average across America. Millions have lost their plans. In 1/3 of the nation's counties, Americans only have one insurance company to choose from, which essentially means they have no choice at all. You know, Florida is actually a textbook example of everything that's wrong with Obamacare. Here in the Sunshine State, Obamacare premiums rose by 19% last year, with some increasing by nearly 40%. Over 400,000 Floridians were scheduled to lose their plans at the start of this year. And nearly 3/4, 75% of the state, has no choice at all when it comes to health insurance. The truth is, Florida can't afford Obamacare anymore. That's why we're going to end this law. We're going to replace it with real solutions built on freedom, personal responsibility, and state flexibility and reform. That's what works, and that's what President Trump's plan for health care reform will do. We're going to give the American people the freedom to buy health insurance across state lines, the way you buy life insurance, the way you buy car insurance. We're going to stop any more states from expanding Medicaid and adding a burden to future generations. We're going to give states the option of block grants of Medicaid to the states so states like Florida can innovate and design Medicaid around the unique needs of the people in this community. And we're going to allow states like Florida to include a work requirement for able-bodied adults, ensuring that Medicaid's benefits are available for those who need them most. Be clear on this, though, folks. This is going to be a battle in Washington, D.C. All right? Obamacare's defenders are working hard, so we have to work harder. And we're counting on Florida. We need every Republican in Florida to support this bill and support the president's plan to repeal and replace Obamacare.